God, how much are you going to need? Auntie. Mo, when I come back, the guy would like lobola. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ntswaki_SK, and all the socials it's Ntswaki_SK. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, it's Ntswaki_SK. I'm a lifestyle vlog, beauty, storytelling, everything. So I'm gonna end up being. Guys, this story that I'm about to tell you is not something that happened to me, but I'm going to narrate it as it happened to me. Yeah, you understand? To make it more juicier. A story actually happened a year after my matric. So after matric, I took a gap year due to like a varsity where I applied, like so I had to take a gap year. So I was on Tinder. There's this app called Tinder. I met this guy. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's this guy I met on Tinder. So okay, so this guy, like we spoke, we exchanged the numbers, we spoke. The guy is very romantic. The guy is very romantic. The guy like would call asking me like like to any event. Let's say I'm telling the guy that on Friday I'm going out with my girls. He would just send me man with baby, how much are you going to need? And this is so there was this time where at my relatives there was a funeral, so I told him that baby man, on Friday I'll be going to at my relatives for a funeral. So it was like, what are you going to need? I was like, no man, why I'm going is like rural areas like Emakaya, so I won't need any expensive clothes even this. So I'll just wear like shwe or just a baby the kiba man. I will be wearing kiba, like helping around. I was like, no, 10K for transport. I had to go and buy whatever you want, including transport and whatsoever, because I was traveling from I was living, it's from another province to another. So he was like, me 10K going to your hair, buy whatever you want, and for transport. I was like, I'm saving this money. At that time, I organized a transport with my uncle that I'm going with him. Guys, at that time, why fancy outfit for what? Like my going like so there's no fancy man. I was like, I'm saving this money. But when I got there, Saturday, I was like, my cousins, after tears is on me. Hey, I bought alcohol for them. Run, we drank. Kilinkan, yes, Gabua. Guys, we spoke. Like, the guy is very romantic. Like, we spoke about 2 months and a week. I was like, no man, there's man, we need to see each other. He was like, the guy stays at Sandton, and me, I'm staying at Northern Cape at that time. The guy stays at Sandton, Joburg. So I was like, ish. yeah, it's about time he meet. Because like, guys, the guy is very supportive in everything. I would never sleep without like saying good night in the morning. When I wake up, it's the morning text in J. Like the guy is supportive in everything, romantic, money wise in J. We are lahlela. The guy we are pana, we are better. Fine, I was like, no, I have to come and see you very anytime is tea time. Plus, at that time, guys, I'm not even working. Just to keep, I'm auntie like this is. I was like, no, it's about time you meet. I was like, no, it's about time you meet. Okay, fine. The guy was like, do you need any outfit? I was like, of course. At that time, and at that time, I've never been to Joburg. Hey, mind you, me, I've never been to Joburg. Don't mind my hair, guys. I'm from work. At that time, guys, I've never been to Joburg. Hey, can I stress yo? How is the guy? Like, how is the guy gonna? Maybe yeah, when I sometimes say the pictures had it's funny like the actual person and I was like the guy was I was like she was like the guy was like how much are you going to need? I was like ish. Not a lot though, not a lot. Even 2K it's fine. The guy what's 10K. Yeah. I had to go and make your hair. Go and make this hairstyle. Wang Sendela, the guy. Go and make this hairstyle. This actual hair, like the Wang Sendela is a hairstyle. Would say he likes girls that does that particular hairstyle. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Ke go reka outfit, ke go reka eng, ke reka took my friend ke re mata ko like mata ka ke mo ngwanyana wa bona ngwanyana wa ka Jeko. Wang tlhaloganya mata ka ke ngwanyana wa ka Jeko ke re chomi. We are not really friends, but I know her from Kasi gore o ke motho wa like she's that kind of this type of that girl gore ke mo Joburg le ha sa mo is ke mo Durban like go senele madi utle. She's that kind of a guy, like of a girl wa ntlhaloganya mara ke tsa that guy ke re kopa go ntlhophisa ka re wena dio tse wa ditsi and it will be the first time ke ya kwa ngwana ntlhophisa are ke re ha re tsene ka bo Mr Price H&M ra tsena ra reka diaparo outfit are ke are lingerie reka tse di yana are ke reka yana le yana ngwanyana are ke reka yes ke reka guys ke reka ke go ira that hairstyle on Sunday the money on Sunday and then nna tshwantse ke tsamaye on Thursday. Yes, on Sunday on Sunday. So nna tshwantse ke go kopana on Thursday. Okay. Ke reka fine ke go ira dinala. Ke ira dinala ke reka le tse di tlhapang. Was another 2,000. I was like, no, I'm done doing my shopping. Was another 2,000. I said, okay, this day I was like, told my aunt, I was like, auntie, Mo, when I come back, the guy was like, lobola. Yay, like I was living my dream. Like I was living my dream. I felt like like ne ke se galle selo like ke ile bona hona le madi man, you don't crave anything man wa ntlhaloganya phela hona le madi o tlhola o dula o khotsi like hona le madi o phela like o khotsi, you don't crave anything but how sena madi ka ro ha o tsena ka shop o re man this thing is beautiful but so se nka reng ka ja it's king how tsena ka H&M wa re nka re ka topo e ntle but as soon as you get money you'll be like no but it's not that nice not I was like that ke ntla ke na le madi auntie like auntie wa ka una bereka go di kitchening there. I was like auntie save your money man everything fridge ni phela itletse ke re auntie ska wara wena groceries on me Okay, ke ile go loga Laboraro. On Wednesday, I went to do my hair. Ke tso go ira moriri nna ngwanyana. That particular hairstyle that the guy told me to do, okay. Thursday morning, I was like, Auntie ki ya gone. Auntie was like, hey, Maruka sitsama o sa mpolella ke re msana details gore ke ya kae for in case pela you know. I've never met the guy and ha ba mo itse mo and stuff. Okay, fine. Ke bolela auntie gore ke ya kae ke mmolele di address for in case wa ntlhaloganya mo South Africa batho ba utsiwa and stuff wa ntlhaloganya. Sometimes it's human trafficking. Okay, fine. Now get the guy was like that guy it's like about 9. And that time I go miracle, but as soon as gets in okay, I took a bolt. And this is from Northern Cape to Joburg. Okay, I think it was 1.8 at that time. It's not a taxi after all. Like, do you call them Bolt or Uber? Whatever, man. Okay, yes. Ke tsena ke re beka yo the when ke tsogile ka teng guys ka fitla go Joburg ne. Kore the way ke tsogile ka teng ke la bona like when you ipolela phela ha mo the guy a re ntsenele picture. You'll choose the one that is best. Gore bona ke tlhopa e best. Ke re mare ish. What if the guy wa gore ke mashwe? What if the guy wa gore like doesn't like my mara? Don't do that, guy. Don't pass on my. Ke re what if the guy wa gore ke mashwe or something? Ke re yang. I was like fuck. Ke said the guy ke re ke fitlhile. Ara bathong wa khalo sa mpolella. I was but I'm at work, but I'm coming now. The guy what? Met with the guy. Met with the guy. Yo, the guy is so handsome. The guy, like a man of my dream. Mwana gore o re ke setlhako sa ba 80K o. Setlhako next time wa bona ke tla ke bona body Versace ke tla ke bona body Gucci on TV or go di faking go bo maraba start. I was like bona ke etsa tsa mannete nkoro bona but this guy waits king o role madi ya le gore waits king body 100K setlhako sa bo 500K phela ha ke tsana mo kolo ya teng ke tsana nkare ke tsana mo heaven. The mirrors all over, like TV screens all over. My 2 suitcase. You know how we girls, how us girls like see, we take everything, man. I was like, no, you must be tired, man. Let's go eat somewhere. Where do you want to eat? I was like, no, like anyway, like oh, the way I was so shy. Anyway, guys, the way ke tshwere ka tla ka tempela ke tsile go ga ke jile motogo ha ke tsena ka the guy I don't even know. Do you know that fancy restaurant where like go kwetse only letters? I was like king ya no batho king guys. I had to tell the guy, I got him, no, I'm coming right now, fast I'm coming. I had to go and Google like I had to read between and Google I mean like I went to the toilet I was so confused. Google what type of what's the name of that meal? Like it sounds familiar. So the pictures, I was like, when I little green stuff, but it's like I saw steak. I don't even know what I'm ordering, guys. Like woman had you like clever surprise. Hey, woman had you a surprise. Now, my order, main thing I did wine, has imagine nna ke mo ngwanyana di wine phela 9 ke tsena matric last day, guys. Remember, I'm just a 19-year-old girl. Ke re nna batho maina di wine ke di ka itse kae. Okay, nna man ina di wine ke itse ka odd. What's ke say again? As long as it's non-alcoholic. As long as it's non-alcoholic, it's fine. Okay, sharp. The guy went to take a bath. I took a bath. I mean, I took a bath. Guys, I mean, before that, man, I was in guys. Yo! In my life, I've never seen my mansion Langaga. The place is so big, so many lights. I was like, the guy had changed. The guy was so romantic. The guy, man. Is that guy like I've been talking to? The guy I was for the past 2 months and 1 week. This is the guy. God had changed. He's still the same. Like the house is so big. I was like, man, I will just check the house. So I'm tired, guys. You know it. From Northern Cape to Joburg, it's how many hours? I was like, no, get la bona kamuso. The guy wadira. It's something was disturbing me. Yes, the guy went to take a bath, and then after taking a bath, we slept, guys. Obviously, recipe how kana luna. Recipe, the guy was just fine. Ratlotla, like now I was tired. I slept around Buma 9. And this is I was fast asleep. I've never done in my life like the way I did monati. Yo, guys, at that time. The guy high go miracle one tlhaloganya. At that time, the guy high go miracle. Yo, ke re ke tsoga phakela nna ke nna o ka di nna tlogetse di apara tsa gagwe ke tsaya like a big the guy, you that giant guys. Fella, I'm still a little girl from high school. You still remember most. Ke apara skipa tsa gago se tsamanyana most like a dress hand night dressing yana. It's like night dressing yana. So, man, let me go and make myself breakfast. Let me. Before that, get some mama shaba go the room. But like it's a triple story. It's a triple story. So shaba di morong di batla like everywhere. Like the sliding doors, beautiful doors, like but I couldn't finish. Okay, shapo. Man, I'm hungry. It's like up 9. I'm hungry. Man, let me make myself food. Kena o kere ke bula fresh go dimo ke ya tshela juice ke ana ke let me start plus na ke rata cranberry juice ke tshela ke ana before I do that ke ana ke ga ke chebe go tlatsa maybe gona le di bacon nyana o tlhaloganya that English breakfast ke bula fridge. Net ha ke re ke bula fridge ko tlase nko siame ke utlwa moriri wa ka wa re ke utlwa bile ke a tshaba ke utlwa moriri wa ka wa re mme o kula bona that feeling ere titu like utlwa nka re tswa ke se did ke tshogile ke I'm feeling numb because at that time ke are ke bula khoro the door is locked. Hey, the door is locked. Check out everywhere. The house is big. Hey, Kerobana, Mahakasa Shukumpina Catholic Shule. Kere, Wa bona ke sa tlhoga ke sa tšo gompieno. I will never die. Hey. Ke utlwa nkare ke ithotela. Hey, ke utlwa nkare ke a tsenwa man. Yo. Ebe ke utlwa nkare ke a dira guys ke a. Let's go for part 2 guys. Let's go for part 2 because the video is long. Let's go for part 2. I'm making part 2 now.